Ever wondered if we could skip the vastness of space and time to instantly travel to distant corners of the universe? Imagine a cosmic shortcut, a tunnel bridging the gap between 2 points in space-time. This isn't the stuff of science fiction, but a theoretical concept born from the intricate mathematics of Einstein's theory of general relativity. Enter the world of wormholes. These intriguing structures are solutions to Einstein's equations that describe how mass and energy curve space-time. Imagine a sheet of fabric representing this space-time. Now, massive objects like stars and planets create curves or warps in this fabric. Wormholes, on the other hand, are regions where the fabric curves so dramatically it forms a tunnel-like structure. While the notion of wormholes captivates our imaginations, their existence remains purely theoretical. But who knows what future advancements might reveal? So, let's dive deep into this rabbit hole of cosmic proportions. Imagine the universe as a fabric of space-time, warped and curved by massive objects like stars and planets. Now, this isn't your typical fabric. It's a four-dimensional blend of space and time, bending and flexing under the weight of the universe's mass and energy. Picture a bowling ball on a trampoline. The weight of the ball causes the trampoline to sag, creating a curve. This is quite similar to how space-time curves around massive objects. Now let's delve a little deeper. Imagine if the trampoline surface curved so dramatically under the weight of the bowling ball that it folded over on itself, creating a tunnel from one point to another. This isn't just any tunnel, but a special kind of tunnel that exists in the fabric of space-time itself. This tunnel isn't formed by matter or energy, but by the very geometry of the universe. In the universe's tapestry, these regions where space-time curves so intensely are what scientists believe could be wormholes. The term wormhole comes from an analogy used to explain this phenomenon. If you envision the universe as an apple, a worm could either travel across the surface to get to the other side, or it could simply burrow straight through. A shortcut, if you will. But don't pack your bags for an interstellar journey just yet. These wormholes are not your typical tunnels. They are essentially shortcuts through space-time, connecting two separate points in the universe. They exist not in our three-dimensional space, but within the four-dimensional space-time itself. Now, you might ask, how can space-time, something so fundamental, bend so dramatically? Well, that's where the magic of Einstein's theory of general relativity comes into play. It allows for such intense curvatures, such dramatic tunnels, and such fascinating phenomena as wormholes. This tunnel in our space-time fabric is what we call a wormhole, a concept that has captivated our imagination, fueled our science fiction, and continues to puzzle and intrigue the scientific community. But remember, as of now, it remains a concept, a possibility. The reality, my friends, is still a mystery we are yet to unravel. You might have heard of the term Einstein-Rosen Bridge. This phrase might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's deeply rooted in the world of theoretical physics. Named after Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen, two towering figures of 20th century physics, the Einstein-Rosen Bridge is another name for a concept you're likely familiar with, the wormhole. In 1935, Einstein and Rosen proposed this concept as a solution to the field equations of Einstein's general theory of relativity. They suggested that the universe might contain peculiar regions where space-time curves so intensely it twists and turns back on itself, forming what we now call a wormhole. Imagine a tunnel connecting two different points in space-time. A bridge, if you will. This isn't your ordinary bridge, mind you. No, this is a bridge that could, in theory, let you bypass the known laws of physics and traverse vast cosmic distances in a blink. This bridge, in theory, could be the universe's ultimate shortcut. Imagine if we could use these wormholes as shortcuts through space-time. Now that's an enticing thought, isn't it? Let's delve into this fascinating concept. Picture space-time as a vast cosmic fabric. Massive objects like stars and planets warp this fabric, creating what we perceive as gravity. Now, if this fabric is folded over, a wormhole is the theoretical needle that stitches 2 points together. Wormholes, in essence, are cosmic shortcuts. Rather than taking the long way round, following the curves and twists of space-time, you just zip right through the middle. They're a bit like a secret passage in a grand old mansion, a hidden route from the dusty attic to the basement, bypassing all the winding staircases and long corridors. Here's a fun analogy. Imagine you're an ant on an apple. If you want to get from the stalk to the base, you could crawl all the way around the apple's surface. Or if you're a particularly clever ant with access to wormhole technology, you could just burrow straight through the apple's core, popping out the other side in no time at all. That's the magic of wormholes. They could, in theory, connect vastly distant points in space-time, allowing us to traverse the cosmos in the blink of an eye. Whether it's a hop to the nearest star or a leap across galaxies, wormholes could make the seemingly impossible possible. But as with all things in the universe, there's a catch. These space-time shortcuts don't just prop themselves open, they need a helping hand, or rather, a helping substance. Something with properties so strange, so counterintuitive, that it boggles the mind. This is where we encounter the concept of exotic matter. It's not your everyday run-of-the-mill stuff. It's something quite bizarre, something that has negative energy density. This exotic matter is what's needed to counteract the crushing gravitational forces that would make the wormhole collapse in on itself. However, keeping these shortcuts open requires something quite exotic. So, while the idea of wormhole travel is incredibly enticing, it's also incredibly complex. But isn't that the beauty of the universe? The more we learn, the more there is to explore. The key to a stable wormhole could lie in something called exotic matter. Now you might be wondering, what is this so-called exotic matter? Well, buckle up, as we're about to delve into one of the most peculiar and intriguing concepts in theoretical physics. Exotic matter is a hypothetical concept, much like wormholes themselves. It's not something we come across in our day-to-day lives. It's theorized to possess negative energy density. Yes, you heard it right. Negative energy. In the world as we know it, energy is always positive. You eat an apple, you gain energy. A car burns gasoline, it moves. Energy is always expended, used up, positive. But exotic matter flips this concept on its head. Now, why would we need such an oddity? Here's where it gets interesting. The gravitational forces inside a wormhole are immense, so immense that they would collapse the wormhole instantly, not allowing even light to pass through. This is where exotic matter comes into play. Its negative energy density could, in theory, counteract these gravitational forces, holding the wormhole open against their crushing weight. Imagine a balloon inflating and deflating constantly. The air inside pushes out against the rubber, keeping it inflated. That's the role of exotic matter in a wormhole. It's the air that keeps the balloon, our wormhole, from collapsing. The exotic matter would create a sort of anti-gravitational effect, counterbalancing the inward pull and maintaining the stability of the wormhole. However, it's important to note that this is all still theoretical. We've yet to discover or create exotic matter. We don't even have concrete evidence that wormholes exist, let alone that they could be stabilized using exotic matter. But that's the beauty of theoretical physics. It allows us to explore these mind-boggling concepts and ideas, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. Yet despite these fascinating theories, the existence of wormholes remains unproven. But who knows what we might discover in the future, as our understanding of the universe continues to expand. While the mathematics of wormholes is sound, their existence is yet to be confirmed. This statement underpins the intriguing world of theoretical physics, where ideas can be mathematically sound yet remain unproven in reality. Indeed, wormholes, these fascinating shortcuts through space-time, are one such concept. They exist within Einstein's equations, but they've yet to make a cameo in the observable universe. Like a cosmic Loch Ness monster, they lurk in the shadows of theory, yet to be captured in the harsh light of empirical evidence. It's not for lack of trying, though. Scientists have been on the hunt for decades using the most advanced telescopes and detection methods. Yet, the elusive wormhole remains at large. But let's say for a moment that they do exist. What then? Well, that's where things get even more complicated. Theoretically, a wormhole could be a shortcut through space-time, but making one practical for travel is another story altogether. Firstly, there's the issue of stability. Without a support structure, a wormhole would collapse faster than you could say Einstein-Rosen Bridge. It's kind of like trying to keep a soap bubble from popping, and the material needed to keep a wormhole stable. That's where we enter the realm of exotic matter, a theoretical type of matter with negative energy density. We're not quite sure it exists, but if it does, it could counteract the gravitational forces that would otherwise cause the wormhole to collapse. And then there's the energy requirement. The amount of energy needed to manipulate space-time to create a wormhole is immense. We're talking about energy on a cosmic scale, far beyond what we can currently produce or manage. So while wormholes remain a tantalizing concept, their reality is still confined to the realms of theoretical physics. But who knows what the future might hold? As we continue to push the boundaries of our understanding and technology, perhaps one day we'll unlock the secrets of these cosmic shortcuts. For now, they remain a captivating mystery, a reminder of the vast unknowns that await us in the cosmos.